Okay guys, hi and welcome back. In this video I have this alert. So here in the code, here I will write dev with a class of alert. Alert and alert warning and alert, okay. Dismissible, and here fade show, okay. And rule of alert, here I will make okay, strong or welcome to and strong complete Bootstrap 5 course, okay. And here button of type of button, and here class of clothes. Here I will make data dismiss equal the rule of the alert here. So here alert, okay. And area label into close, okay. Here I will make a span with area hidden into true, and here and times, okay. So here in the file, when I click here I got this. When I click here it disappears. When I refresh it again it appears, okay. Here I can make it success, warning, or anything I want. So if I copy this part and paste it here and make it dark instead of warning, so here I have the warning and the dark. I can make any color I want, or I have a different options. I can delete this and add a background color. So here style of background color, let's make it green. So here I have the green color. When I click here it disappears, okay. So I will leave it like that, but in red one, because I like the red. I like the red or the black, okay. After this part, here we have a border, okay. You can delete the border if you want. The JavaScript behavior, okay. So here var, but this for the building, the website, okay. So the next thing we have is a badge. This is a badge, this one. So here I have badge of secondary, primary, or anything I want. So here in the code I can make a span with a class of badge and PG primary and of new. It will be very small because it's not h1. So here I got this. Let's make it inside an h1, okay. Here now I have this. When I make it I will copy this part and paste it. When I make it secondary, so here I have this color. Let's make it info, okay. I'm sorry, here I have the secondary, okay. After the secondary I have the danger, okay. Here I can make a danger. So here I have this color. I can make it success and warning. Warning, dark, okay, and here light. I think now we are done with all of that, with all the colors. So here I have the primary, the info, the secondary, danger, success, warning, and this for the dark and this for the light. But I don't like the color here, so I have to make a style of color of black. So here I have the black color. It is better, right? Okay, the next thing we have is the notification. So what if I make here a button with type of button of notifications instead of this part? You know, I will type this one because I don't want to copy and paste for these small things. So here I have a button with a type of button and class of button, and button I will make it primary because it is the best for notifications. So here notifications, and here span with class of page, and page I will make it I'm thinking about the light, I think, or info. I will make it light or secondary. Here I can make 99999 because I'm busy. Okay, so here I have this one and it is hovering. What if I make this here of the outline? If it doesn't work, we will make it for, no, it doesn't work, so we will make it for, it's okay, we have tested this before. So here I have this, all of these colors. The next thing I have here is the profile. It is the same, but for if I want to make something which is SR only. SR only stands for the server only, so it will be written but no one except you can read it. So here I can make a span or h1 with a class of SR only, in here blah blah blah. So here when I reload, I have nothing to read because it's for the server only, the backend or development. Here I have the color. We were done with all of that color, but here if you want to make the text into black, you can make text dark instead of style and black. And here we are done with all of that. We just didn't test the rounded pill. So here if I make it rounded what? A rounded pill. So here I have this rounded. Let's make it for all of that. I will just leave one so we can differentiate between them. Okay. So here I have just one without the rounded bell. Okay, now I have all of these colors with primary, info, secondary, danger, success, warning, and dark. Okay, do we have something else? No. Now we are done with this video. In the next video we will move to the breadcrumb. So good luck and have fun.